All right, students, in this example, we're going to look at connecting our roots with coming up with the equation of a polynomial. So I can see in this graph that my graph goes through -3, -1, and 2. I can also see my y-intercept is up at 3. So that tells me this is a polynomial in factored form that would have the form a, x plus 3, x plus 1, and then x minus 2. Since it goes through 0, 3, y is 3 when the x value is 0. So that tells me that my a value must be -1/2, so that these are equal. And coming back to look at the picture, having a negative a value makes sense because I go from starting positive and ending negative. So in the end, my equation is going to be y equals -1/2, x plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 2. Let's try that again. Now I see a root of, again, -3, this time 0 and 1 and 5. All right, so in this case, I might need an additional point. So here's another point that I can see clearly. That's the point 2. Notice I have -50 down here, so this is going to be -20. I can see straight away that my a is positive and that I have an even power graph. So y equals a, x plus 3, x minus 0, so I can just call that x, x minus 1, and x minus 5. And I know that I go through the point 2, -20. So that will be 5, 2, 1, 2 minus 5 would be -3. All right, -20 equals -30a. So my a value must be positive 2/3. So then my equation, 2/3 x plus 3, and rather than writing x minus 0 or just x, I'm going to put that x in the front. So 2/3 x, x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 5.